was fast. The other box is here. Let's get into it and see what else I got. I filmed the previous unboxing, what you just saw a few days ago, so I don't remember if I already said this, but I got this bag specifically to be a pouch in my Epi Neverfull, but it is actually a handbag. It's not intended to be a pouch. It can be a handbag or a clutch. Here's the inside of the box. This bag was originally $245 and I got it on sale at Dillard's for $147, so I got it $100 off. And here is the item right here. So you can see it's very small, like pouch size. You get the plastic and the tissue paper off, and then I will show you. I just love how soft and smushy these leathers are from Hammit. I think I have a new favorite handbag brand. Ooh, look at this. Oh, magnets. I thought those were snaps, but it has some nice magnet closure on it. I'm gonna get all the little, oh, this is so nice. All the little styrofoam pieces and such off of it. This is really pretty. This bag is called the VIP and it's in the small size. Let me give you a look at it here. So it's similar to the previous bag, the Dylan. They both have the croc on the bottom and they're both all black with that really dark silver hardware, but the top leathers are different on them. So on the Dylan you had the snake skin. I did check the website and they call it snake, not lizard. And I said earlier that snakes are lizards, right? What I meant was snakes are reptiles. I do know a little bit about what I'm talking about. So up here, this is not a suede. I'm not sure what the material is exactly, but you can tell that it is sparkly. On the photos on the listing, it looked to me like somewhere between Chanel Caviar and Stingray. And in person, I would say it still reminds me of that. So pretty. So here is the front of the bag with the flap. It has a zipper, it has the rivets. Here is the side. This one is just one pouch. The Dylan had two pouches. Here's the back of the bag, and you see the slit with the red, and that's the lining on the inside, and apparently that is a signature of Hammit. And then there's the other side, the bottom. Now let me show you one difference between these pouches. On the Dylan, each pouch is just sewn side by side. How do I explain this? I think looking at the bases is easier. So you see on the base of the Dylan pouches, it's just rounded there. It's like, it's a flat pouch. The two sides are just sewn together. On this one, there's a little more depth to the pouch. This is the VIP. You can see the two sides aren't just sewn together. There's also some depth given right here. It's sewn into a T shape, and that makes it a little bit wide. I'd say it's about 1 inch wide there. And I just measured it. It's 7.5 inches across this way and 6 inches this way. All right, let's open the flap. It's got two magnets, one on each side here, that keep it closed, and they're strong, but they're not too strong, so I don't feel like the bag would be damaged. When I lift the flap, you have the same sparkly interior there, and it does have a texture. You hear that? So when you run your nails over it, you can hear it and feel it. When you open it up, get the tag out of the way. When you open up that flap, there's a strip of leather here with these two D-rings because there's a strap inside the bag. And there's a zipper here. When you open that zipper, there's stuff inside. So let me take that out and show you what it is. Here's the inside of that pouch. It's just one big opening with that red lizard suede. It has the card pocket here. It's just one card slot, and it's the same thing on the Dylan, but you could fit more than one card in there for sure. And then on the front side here, there are two slip pockets there. Zip that back up, put the flap back on the front where it was, and there's a zipper on the flap as well. And when you open that, that's the same kind of sunglasses compartment. And then when you turn the bag around, there's a slip pocket with no zipper, and there are no other pockets in there. That's just a slip pocket. And that would fit. I have an iPhone 10 that fits in there very easily, and you could certainly fit other things in there. This would make a fantastic little clutch, little evening bag. It's beautiful. Then I want to see, can I fold the flap over the other way? I don't think it's made for that because of the D-rings here. If I hold it by the D-rings, that flap doesn't stay down, it pops up. See that? So I think this bag is not meant to be flapped around. I think that'll make a great pouch in my Neverfull. And both bags are really, really beautiful. I have to say, first impressions, I highly recommend this brand. Also, between filming these two unboxings, I found that eBay has quite a few Hammit bags, and they are quite a bit cheaper than purchasing from the Hammit website or from Dillard's or paying retail anywhere. So check that out. I've got 2 bags on my eBay wish list right now from Hammit, and I'll probably get at least one of them. We shall see. I really love both of these. I was not sure before I saw them, but seeing them, I'm convinced. I'm a believer. And if you're interested in these bags, please make sure you do go check out Joshy Michael's videos. I will link those below. He has quite a few on the Hammit bags. Maybe I'll just link his channel and you can search for the Hammit videos. He has all kinds of other awesome videos too. Oh, inside that pocket, there's the strap and the little care booklet again. This strap is different from the other one. It's a different leather. It's a very, very soft, pliable, black pebbled leather. It's so soft it feels like suede, but it's not. The edges are, it's not glazed on the edges. Here it is with the strap attached. It's cute. This is on a somewhat short setting. You could make it shorter. It's on the halfway point. So you could make it even shorter than this and have a little shoulder bag. You could make it longer and be crossbody. But I think I mostly plan to use it without the strap. I tell you what, I am so glad that I took a chance on these bags. I'm really happy with them. And with the VIP, it's just the care booklet. It doesn't tell you other ways to wear it. So it's just this one way, like I said. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. I hope that you and your family and loved ones are doing well. And I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you back next time. Bye.